Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a faceless review video without buying the product. This is 100% ethical and very easy to do. We'll use an AI tool called HeyGen to make the video. The link to try HeyGen for free is in the description, so make sure to sign up and follow along. There are 3 methods to create a review video without buying the product. First, if you already own the product, you can just use it for your review without spending extra money. Second, if you don't own the product, ask family or friends if they have it and can let you borrow it. This way, you can try it out and make your video. Third, if you can't get your hands on the product, find reliable information about it from the manufacturer or the company website. You can also check other people's reviews. Just be honest in your video. Mention that you didn't personally try the product, but you did research and this is what others are saying. Now, let me show you how to create a realistic review video using HeyGen. The link to try HeyGen for free is in the description, so click on that and sign up. After signing up, you'll be taken to the HeyGen dashboard. You can start by selecting your avatar. Choose a style that fits your brand or the type of review you're doing. There are plenty of avatars to pick from, including photo avatars or animated ones. Once you've selected your avatar, it's time to write your script. Simply type out your product review based on your experience, borrowed product, or research. After your script is ready, you can assign a voice to your avatar. HeyGen has a wide selection of voices to choose from, so pick one that fits the tone of your video. You can adjust the pitch and speed to make the voice sound just right. Now that your avatar is set up and your script is loaded, you can preview the video to see how it looks. Once everything is good to go, click Submit. HeyGen will process your video and notify you when it's ready. You can then download your review video in high quality. Lastly, consider adding an affiliate link to the description of your video. You're targeting people who are already looking to buy the product, so adding an affiliate link gives you a chance to make money from the sales. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try out HeyGen for free.